Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you that how to quickly remove anything from our image in Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. There are two images which are used in this video. This one is the first, this one is the second. If you want to download these two images, then check the link in the description of this video. So as you can see in this image, I want to remove this person. Before removing this, I want to explain the process on this image. In this image, we will remove this glass. So let's start our process. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer to see the before and after. Now select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Select Normal. Type Content Aware, Texture, Frequency Match. Make sure that the Sample All Layers is unchecked. Make the brush larger. Make the brush larger. Then rub it on the glass and its shadow. Yes, so this is removed, but as you can see it removed the texture of the sand. So now we have to make this texture. Select the clone stamp tool, press and hold Alt key and pick up the sample. Then click here to paste that sample. So as you can see that how quickly we remove the glass from our image without disturbing any area of the background. So now we will remove this person from this image. Zoom in. First press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Now select the Spot Healing Brush tool with the same settings. Rub it on the model and rub it. Now rub it on that person or anything you want to remove. Then as you can see that guy has been removed. If you want to remove the large things from our image, like if you want to remove this person from our image, so let's remove this person. Yes, as you can see it affects this area and this area. So let's make it press Ctrl 0. So as you can see that now you can decrease the opacity. Press, then select the eraser tool. You can simply erase it from here. Now as you can see that how quickly we remove the person from our image with a very simple way without disturbing anything from our background. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Goodbye.